Alright, here's my flow for the 11 Creative Challenge. I wanted to see how far I could push a single Starbucks hero drink photo and turn it into a full vertical ad. Since I work at Starbucks and our next campaign starts soon, this first node is my brief and brand voice, just for my use. I describe the Starbucks style tone, the target audience, and the goal for the video. From that, this language node generates the full ad script, short scenes, what we see on screen, and the exact voiceover lines. Once I like the script, I drop it into this text-to-speech node. I used my clone voice that I had created, and I can instantly swap to a more high-energy Gen Z read for testing different hooks. Over here, these nodes handle the visuals. I start from one static hero drink photo and create motion, a slow cinematic zoom, a version with subtle drips and bokeh, and a more energetic social style shot. I also built another mood variants like a neon evening look. Then I add a lo-fi coffee shop music bed and very light cafe ambience, so you get that in-store feeling without drowning the voiceover. And a sound effects. Finally, everything comes together in this composer node as a vertical 9:16 video, around 10 to 12 seconds long. One flow gives me script, voice, motion, music, and multiple ad-ready variants from a single Starbucks hero image. Link to this flow is in the quote if you want to remix it. And here is the video. Thanks. You don't need more time, you just need the right moment. Pause the scroll, sip the moment.